Welcome back, students. So in this session we will learn safe mode and normal mode. Okay, what is safe mode and what is normal mode in a Windows. So sometimes what happens while working with the Windows, it happens that you come across problems that stop Windows from operating normally. So while working with the system, what happens? So sometimes we get the problem. Suddenly some instructions comes from the operating system. So system is not getting on properly. A screen appears instructing you to run Windows in the safe mode. So on that screen, there it shows you run your Windows in a safe mode. So this often happens when the computer is switched off without the proper shutdown procedure. Okay, so this is very important point. So when you won't shut down your system properly, so when you won't shut down your system according to the procedure, in that case you are going to get that error message. So let me show you. See here. So some safe mode. Okay, start with the safe mode with networking, safe mode with the command prompt, so or repair your computer. So this type of error message displays on a computer screen. This is because system was not shut down properly. So in that case, so Windows itself try to correct that files, restore that files. So in that cases, it shows the message for the user. The safe mode of Windows allows the user to correct the issues so that the normal functioning of Windows can be resumed. So this is safe mode. What happens? So here it allows the user to correct that issues, correct that problems, the problems which are happened or the problems which are arised. So that problems or that issues will be resolved in a Windows, and it makes to run the system normally or function the system normally. Okay, so one more here, this type of screen you might have seen here, startup repair. This all screen comes because of not shutting down the system properly. So when we won't shut down our system properly, so in that cases, so this type of message is going to display on our computer screen. So now point is, so what is the difference between normal mode and safe mode? Okay, now the system is working. When you put on the system and it gets on, so that is a normal mode, understood? And when safe mode comes, so safe mode comes when the system won't shut down properly. So in that cases, we have to repair that system with the safe mode. Okay, so so that same explanation is given. So when the computer is switched off without proper shutdown procedure, okay, Windows appears instructing you to run Windows in the safe mode. So Windows asks the user to run your Windows in a safe mode because your system was not shut down properly. The safe mode of Windows allows the user to correct the issues so that the normal functioning of Windows can be resumed. So now the difference between normal mode and safe mode. So normal mode is the default mode. Okay, so normal mode is the default mode and safe mode is the diagnostic mode. So diagnostic for what? Diagnostic for troubleshooting the issues, so sorting out the problems from the system. So in that cases we are going to use safe mode. In this mode, all the files and drivers for the hardware in a computer are loaded during startup for proper functioning of a computer. So when we start our system, so during that time all the files, folders, drivers gets loaded during the startup. Means when we start, during that time all the files gets loaded in a normal mode. But in a safe mode, Windows loads with a limited set of files. Okay, whatever the files are required, only those files will be loaded, and limited set of drivers that are essential for primary function. So which are drivers are required? Drivers means again softwares. Okay, so that's which are the softwares, the essential softwares. Okay, essential means that is required. So that softwares will be loaded to run the system, such as drivers for basic input output devices, means for the keyboard, for the mouse and all we need a driver. So that is all inbuilt. So that drivers will be loaded during the safe mode. In this mode, Windows appears in high resolution and with all colors. So in a normal mode, Windows appears in a high resolution and it displays with all the colors. But in a safe mode, Windows appears with limited colors and in lower resolution. So low resolution will be very low, so that's why you can, in a safe mode, you can see your system screen won't be clear. That is because of safe mode. Why? Because it uses limited colors, so that's why the resolution is not clear. In a normal mode, no label is displayed as compared to the safe mode. So in a normal mode, when you switch on your system, when system gets on normally, properly, so in that case we are not going to get any labels around the screen. Okay, we are not getting any labels. Okay, so that is normal mode. But in a safe mode, a label is going to display all around the corner. So when Windows is operated in the safe mode, so when you run your Windows, when you run your system in a safe mode, the label safe mode is displayed on all the corners of the desktop screen, all the corners. So top, bottom, left and right, so all the corners label will be displayed as a safe mode. Okay, means you can understand system got started with the safe mode with the limited resolution and limited drivers, okay, limited softwares. So this is difference between normal mode and this one, what is that, safe mode. So this is the screen, Windows 7 screen. When system gets on, we are going to get this normal screen. After repairing, we are going to get this screen. Okay, so I hope you have understood these points, what is safe mode and what is normal mode. So here I am going to end this session, and here it is going to end your second lesson also. So if you have any doubts, ask me. Thank you for watching.